Lesson 4, Introduce Friends and Numbers in Chinese. Hello guys, this is Gaby. Today we're going to learn how to introduce your friend, and we will also learn some numbers in advance for the future study, because numbers are always useful in our daily life, right? So, please read the new words after me. Number 1, 同学 同学 It means classmate, or sometimes can be student. Number 2, 朋友 朋友 It means friend. But this is a very difficult new word. Yeah, let's see the pinyin 朋友. You see, the second character is actually at the third tone, but listen to me again. I said 朋友 朋友 Did you get it? Actually, when I read the second character, I use the neutral tone. It's light and fast, a neutral tone, because 朋友 are supposed to be a phrase. They belong together, just similar to 爸爸 and 妈妈. Yeah, the second word, we pronounce it as light and fast, as a neutral tone. Yeah, pay attention to this. It's a little bit difficult. So again, 朋友 朋友 Okay, number 3, 呢 呢 呢 is used in the question. It actually means how about. Yeah, we will see how these new words actually work in sentence or in conversations. 他是你的朋友吗？他不是我的朋友。他呢？ Here, the first 他, it means he, right? We get the third 他, it means she. Yeah, they are different. They are at the same sound, but they actually have different meanings, right? The first one is he is your friend? Ma is a question, so is he your friend? 他不是我的朋友。He is not my friend. And 他呢? This is how about she. So, is he your friend? No. How about she, right? So, ne means how about. It's actually very useful in our daily life, so please remember it. Okay. 他呢? Okay. Now, let's move on to a longer conversation, still between Gaby, me, and Lucy. So, please read after me. 他是谁？他是我的同学。他呢？他是你的同学吗？他不是我的同学。他是我的朋友。他叫 Jack。Here, 他是谁? Who? 谁 is who, right? We learned it before. Who is she? She is 我的同学. She is my classmate. She is my classmate. 她是我的同学。他呢? I mean, how about he, right? How about he? So, is he your 同学? So we get it. 他是你的同学吗? Is he your 同学? Is he your classmate? 他不是我的同学。He is not. This one 不 or it followed by the fourth tone, so it become 不. We talk about from last class, right? Lesson 4. He is not my classmate. 他是我的朋友。He is my friend. 他叫 Jack. His name is Jack, right? So that's the conversation. I think this conversation is not that difficult, but it's worth for practice. It's worth for reading over and over again to get your tongue practiced. So you feel more natural when you are talking in Chinese. Yeah. Remember, practice makes perfect. Always try to do more practice. When you get the time, of course. So, after the conversation we mentioned, we are going to learn about the numbers. Numbers can be easy, but before we get started, I want to tell you something. In China, we actually use only one hand to talk about all the numbers. Yeah, there is a sign language for the numbers, right? So when I read the numbers, I'm going to show you the sign language in China too. So please follow up. Let's read them. E, number 1. E, R, R. 3 4 5 So we get E, R, 3 4 5 I think most of you have these in your country too, right? But here 6 become a little bit more difficult. 6 Yeah, this is 6 7 7 or like this. 8 This one is 8 8 9 Number 9 9 10 10 with a fist, or we make 2 fingers crossed together just like the character 10. So you get it? One more time. 6 7 7 like this or like this. I prefer this one. 7 8 9 10 or 10. Okay. The numbers and these characters, it looks easy, right? Not that complicated, I mean. So, hear me out. What I'm going to say is very important to the beginners. Yeah. We all know Chinese is not only about the pinyin. Chinese is about pinyin and characters. When we are reading a Chinese book, or we're reading some Chinese message online, we just see the characters. There is normally no pinyin. So characters can be very important to you. But I know it's difficult. But right now you need to get the idea of paying attention to that. Because once you get familiar, you get used to the Chinese characters, and once you know some basic characters, it will help you to get improved more efficiently in the future after you get a solid foundation and after you learned some rules about learning characters. Yeah, of course, we're going to learn those rules or method in the future. But first, you need to get a start. Yeah, you need to get started right now. So, let's check out the characters together. 1、2、3. For these 3 characters, they are easy, right? They just 1 line, 2 line, and 3 lines. 1、2、3. Yeah. From number 4, 4. It become more difficult, but it's easy for you to memorize it. For you see, 1、2、3、4. And that's for size. Yeah, so this is 4. Okay? And 5. How will you remember? 5. 1、2、3、4、5. That's 5. See, do you see what I'm showing you? I'm showing you how to memorize the characters. Yeah, when you see the character from the very beginning, first you can try to have a look of it. What is special about it? Find the specialty of it and then try to tell yourself a story for you to memorize it easier. Just like what I did with the 4 and 5, right? So, 6. 6 is complicated? Yeah, maybe. But remember, 6, the sign language for 6 is like this, right? When you have a close look of it, you will find out this one is actually looks like when we get the sign language of 6 and then make a turn. Yeah, to make it upside down. Yeah, like this. Upside down, and then we get 6. Here, 1、2、3、4、6. Yeah, do you get it? This sign language just like 6, the character, but upside down version. Yeah, 6. And same thing with 7. Remember 7? We can do this or do this. So this is the number 7. 7, 7. In some culture, we write down 1 like this and 7 also like this. So to distinguish them, we do this, right? We draw an actual line at here. So it's right away look like similar to the character of T, but they are in different version, an upside down version, right? T, this is T, the number, and this is T, the character. They look familiar. They are the upside down version of each other, right? Now, 8. 8. Ba, again, upside down. Looks just like ba. Do you get it? So, 9, number 9, the character can be a little bit tricky. Yeah, a little bit more tricky than the other one. But 9, again, it's the upside down version of it. Like 9. There is a hook at the number 9. Like this, right? And here there is a hook too. You see, so this one is 9. Pay attention to this. That's how we memorize the character 9 with the hook. With the little hook. Oh, of course. 10 become easy. Then sign language for 10 is this. Just like the character 10. So do you get the idea? 1, 2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Yeah, hope you get everything we just learned today. Please stick with me if you want to learn more.